Oh no, I can't find anything on my computer. My computer is completely a mess. It's taking me forever to find files. It's taking me forever to find videos. It's taking me forever to find my games and to find Google Chrome. Well, today in this video, I will show you a much easier method for all your file needs so that you can find files, videos, and your apps easier on your computer. Go to your Start menu, type in File Explorer. Go ahead and open up File Explorer. Windows, by default, has a nice system to organize your files, and I recommend you use it. But I'm going to expand it even further. Go ahead and shrink your tab. Go over here to downloads. Now you can basically drag these over here onto your computer and then release, and it will create a shortcut. I've already created a shortcut, so I'm not going to do that. Basically, I recommend you create shortcuts for downloads, documents, pictures, music, and videos. All of these should be found once you start up the File Explorer app. They should all be found here on the right side. What these folders will allow you to do in the future is find things really quickly and also organize certain things. So you can organize downloads, which are things you just downloaded, documents, pictures. Inside pictures, you will find the camera roll. The camera roll is basically all the things you took with your camera app. They're pictures and videos that you took with the camera app. Pretty nice. There is also screenshots that you took with the snipping tool. The snipping tool allows you to basically take a screenshot of your entire screen, or a part of your screen, only a part of it if you want. Inside video, you can store your video files. Inside music, you can store your audio files. And that's pretty much all 5 of them. And with this, you'll be able to find most files really easily and organize them really easily. I recommend you store your files in the correct places just to make it easy for yourself to find things. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to create a shortcut for our browser. So go over here, search up your browser. Mine is Google Chrome. Right click, pin to start. Once you pin it to start, you can go ahead and drag it from the start menu onto your computer, and it will create a shortcut for your browser. And as you see, you can also drag this around and move it. I recommend moving your shortcut for your browser to the middle of the screen so that it's easy to access, because this is going to be the thing you're opening up the most on your computer. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go over here and we're going to create shortcuts to grab all our apps that we use daily. So any apps that you can think of that you would use daily, I recommend you pin to the start menu. So if you have any apps you want to do, just type them in the search bar, right click them, and pin them to the start. I recommend you also pin some of them to the taskbar, only the ones that you're going to be using very often though. I usually recommend keeping only like 10 or 5 of them in this menu here and on your taskbar, just to keep it clean and easy to find things. Now, any other games or apps you might want that you don't use as frequently as daily, I recommend you create the apps folder. Yes, I've created an app folder right here, and this is where I just put all the shortcuts for all the apps and softwares that I'm not going to be using very frequently, but I will use them eventually throughout my week. And this is where I recommend you put or all your apps or software could also go here. I also recommend you put the app files right here in a app file folder so that whenever you download them, you can select this folder here and put it in a new folder for the specific new app that you want. Okay, so now I'm going to explain how you can find files that are named. So let's just say you know the name of your file that you're looking for. Well, you can use the search bar right here on the top to find it. So I know my file's name is Sitting Down Me, and there we go, I found the file. I can also open up the pathway, I believe. Let's see. Open file location. And as you see, I can go right directly to where the file is. Now, this is a good way for most people to do it. However, some people have really, really bad computers, and this search bar would take forever to load up. Or you just have a bunch of files on your computer, so it's obviously going to take a very long time and lag you. Well, there's a better way to do that. I'm going to introduce you to the Everything app. This is basically a search bar system that allows you to search for files even quicker using a name. So I know this name's Sitting Down Me, and as you see, it loads up instantly without lagging. Yep, this is a more effective way than using File Explorer to search for files without lagging for bad computers. Now, if your search bar loads up pretty fast, then you don't have to worry about it, and you don't have to really get the Everything app. It might be a bit redundant to get it. But if you are having trouble with loading the search bar and searching for things, and it just spends 2 minutes to load, then I recommend you switch to the Everything app and just get it, because it's really handy to just be able to search for things instantly, and you can spend a lot less time waiting on that search bar. If you know what I mean. That dumb search bar. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have, like and subscribe. Good. Bye!